So they said forward to the initials. So I'm gonna forward to the initials. No jury would convict me. It's self-defense.
Oh, for goodness sakes, but just stop slouching. What are you hiding?
Arms suddenly so heavy.
Patience wearing so thin. Indira, an F. And forging your father's initials. What do you have to say for yourself?
I love you.
Are you comfortable? A snack, perhaps?
Some water might be.
Then first explain this. Admit it. You failed and lied about it.
Technically, I didn't lie.
Look, Indira, I want to get you a lighter punishment, but I can't go to your mother with that. Help me help you.
Tell us the truth, Indira. Are you in a gang?
What? No!
That's just what one of those gangbangers would say.
She has been wearing a lot of red lately.
Pink! I've been wearing pink.
Mehtas don't fail school and they don't lie.
I told you we should have been stricter with her.
तुम्हारा भाई तो एक नंबर का hooligan है, झूठे झूठ बोलता है.
That's right. ठीक है. We have decided on your punishment.
It's time for serious measures. We won't have you turning into a hooligan. You're going to boarding school. In India.